Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today, 4th June 2025. Economic Outlook. OECD cuts growth view. India's FY26 GDP forecast lowered to 6.3% due to trade risks. UBS ups India forecast. UBS revises India's FY26 growth to 6.4% amid stable fundamentals. Tourism to benefit globally. WTTC says India tourism will gain from global economic uncertainty. Legal developments. Foreign airline tax clarity. IATA urges India to explain GST rules after 10,000 rupee CR notices. Paytm Singapore Incorporated. PCTL sets up Paytm Singapore, subscribes SGD 2.5 lakh for shares. Banking and finance. Yes Bank's 16,000 rupee CR plan. Yes Bank to raise 16,000 crore rupees through equity and debt mix. HDB IPO gets SEBI nod. HDFC's NBFC arm clears 12,500 rupee CR IPO, fifth largest in India. Bactrim's ITC stake. British American Tobacco sells 2.5% ITC stake, retains strategic interest. OpenAI funds non-profits. 11 Indian non-profits receive OpenAI API credits for AI social tools. Wipro variable pay 90%. Wipro pays 90% variable for Q4 FY25, better than Infosys 65%. Corporate finance. Vedant plans 5,000 rupee CR bonds. Vedant to raise 5,000 crore rupees via bonds for debt, capex. Adani 6,000 rupee CR cooling bet. Adani to invest 6,000 crore rupees in centralized cooling projects across India. Tesla's Mumbai lease. Tesla leases 24.5k SQ Food Kurla warehouse for India debut OPS. Quest enters GCC space. Quest Corp launches Origin to target $105 billion global capability center market. Lalit eyes IPO. Lalit Suri Group plans IPO post 2026, earlier DRHP withdrawn. Zydus buys US plants. Zydus to acquire 2 US biologic sites for $125 million total. International affairs. US-India trade deal near. Commerce Sec signals pact before 9th July deadline, avoiding 26% tariffs. US critiques India's alliances. US notes BRICS, Russia ties problematic but sees strategic improvement. Tax and compliances. IATA seeks predictability. Global airlines urge India to ensure tax rule stability, transparency. Paytm expands abroad. Paytm's PCTL adds Brazil, Singapore units to diversify fintech compliance. Investments and finance. Flipkart exits April. Flipkart plans to offload 600 crore rupees stake in Aditya Birla Fashion. Indoco expands in UK. Indoco Remedies launches Ticagrelor tablets in UK cardiovascular market. Biocon's diabetes approval. Biocon receives India approval for liraglutide, targeting diabetic patients. Vari bags 300 megawatts solar. Vari Renewables secures EPC contract for 300 megawatts solar project. Sansera wins Airbus deal. Sansera signs airborne production pact with Airbus, stock gains 2.3%. Financial markets. Sensex sheds 636 points. Sensex falls to 80,737.5 amid broad sell-off, Nifty drops 174.1. Gold nears 96.5 thousand rupees. Gold prices rise 186 rupee to 96,479 rupees per 10 grams amid market volatility. Brent dips to $67. Crude oil prices drop to $67 per BBL as global demand weakens. MFs by 49,000 rupee CR equity. Mutual funds net equity buying hits 49,108 rupee CR in May. Nifty futures rise. Nifty futures up by 132.8 points, indicating strong recovery sentiment.